Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the quickest, the sharpest, the easiest, simple subject. Welcome to mathematics. Students, in our previous video, we saw introduction of transversal. In this video, I'm going to revise the same thing because unfortunately, I didn't get good response from your side. I beg you at the end of the evening, at the end of the video, for your homework, but very few students send me homework, and among this I noticed few confusion. So I'm going to revise this topic again, and it is one of the most important topic. Identifying angles on transversal is most important thing. It is long lasting, at least till the 10th grade you have to use it. So I'm going to revise it. Please reply me in terms of homework. Whatever homework I will tell you, please reply me. Okay, students. So in last video we saw transversal. Students, what is mean by transversal? Is it an angle? Definitely not. Remember, transversal is a line. Once again, listen properly. Transversal is a line. Transversal is a line which intersects two lines. Means suppose there are two lines. These two lines are there. Clear? So transversal is a line, one line which intersects these two lines. A line which will intersect these two lines at two different points is called as transversal. In this figure, suppose this is line AB, this is line CD, this is line PQ. So line PQ is intersecting line AB and CD at two different points. Suppose this is point L and this is point M. So PQ is transversal because intersecting two lines. AB, is it intersecting two lines? Definitely not. AB is intersecting only one line, that is PQ. CD is also intersecting only one line, that is PQ. But PQ is intersecting two lines, so PQ is transversal. PQ is transversal in this case. Clear, students? Let us see one more figure. X, Y, Z, W. These are two lines, X, Y and Z, W. Suppose one line A, B. So in this case there are three lines, X, Y, Z, W and AB. Among these three lines, which line is transversal? I hope your answer is line AB, because line AB is intersecting two lines. Line AB intersecting XY at this point, line AB intersecting ZW at this point. Consider it as point C, it as point D. So this one line is intersecting these two lines, so this one line is called as transversal. Clear, students? Let us see one more example. PQ is one line, RS is one line, and XY is third line. Which line is transversal among all these three lines? PQ, is it a transversal? How many lines this PQ is intersecting? PQ is intersecting only one line at this point. RS, is it a transversal? How many lines it is intersecting? RS is intersecting only XY. Now XY, is it a transversal? How many lines it is intersecting? XY is intersecting PQ at this point, RS at this point. Means XY is intersecting two lines at two different points. So XY is a transversal. Suppose it is intersecting at point Z and W. Got it, students? So transversal is a line. Clear? A line means one line which intersects two lines at two different points. Okay guys, now we know every line has two directions. As transversal is a line, it also has two directions. Suppose this transversal PQ, it has two directions, up and down. AB is a transversal in this case, it also has two direction, upper left and down right. It's going up left, down right. You can say only up down, that is also okay. In this case XY is a transversal, so it also has two directions, down left and up right. Clear students? As transversal is a line, it has two directions. Clear? Second, every line divides a plane into two parts. So transversal also divides a plane into two parts. This line PQ will divide this board into two parts. One is this part, suppose we increase it infinitely at this end, so this much part, right, and this part. So left of the transversal, right of the transversal. Let us say its directions are up and down, and it had divided the plane into left and right part. Clear students? So every transversal divides a plane into two parts. In first example, PQ has divided this plane into left and right part. Got it? Second case, AB is a transversal because intersecting two lines. So which two direction it has? One is up, another one is down. So it has divided the plane into up and down also. Let us say it has left direction. It is going towards left direction and right directions. So directions are of this transversal are left and right. It had divided the plane into two parts, above the transversal, below the transversal, means upper part, lower part. So it had divided the plane into two parts, up and down. Okay guys, this transversal, it also has two directions. One is upper right, one is lower left. Clear students? So you can name it as left right. It is better if you will say, you can name anyhow. The thing is, it should be differentiation between this name, and the basic part is you should understand the difference between sides and direction. Side divided by the transversal and direction. So let's consider it as going towards left, down left, and towards upright. So two directions are down left and upright, and it had divided the plane into two parts, upper part and lower part. So it had divided the plane into up and down, two parts. Got it students? So about transversal, important things are transversal has two directions, transversal has two directions, and transversal divides a plane into two parts. Now third and the most important thing is, every transversal create at least 8 angles. Every transversal creates at least 8 angles along this line. So transversal creates 8 angles. And your job is to just identify 8 angles created by transversal, their direction on the transversal, and on which side of the transversal these angles are lying. Clear? So this I will do for you for first example. Remaining these two you have to solve. So let us see first example. In first example, let us first write name of angle. What I am writing first, name of angle, not name of transversal. After that I will write in which side of the transversal that angle is there. So after angle we have to write side, okay, and after that we will write direction on the transversal. So let's do it for first figure. In this first figure, angle ALP is first angle. So let us write first angle as angle ALP. As we are writing angle, don't forget to give the symbol of angle. Angle ALP. This is angle ALP. On which side of the transversal it is? Which is the transversal? PQ. So on which side of PQ it is? It is on the left side. Clear? Now ALP. This is angle ALP. What is this direction on the transversal? It has two arms, AL and LP. Which arm is the part of transversal? LP. And what is its direction on transversal? Up. So direction on transversal is up. Clear, students? Now let us see second angle. Second angle is, suppose, ALQ. First we covered this. Second angle is ALQ. We are covering this angle, right? So let's write name of the angle. First angle ALQ. After that, on which side of the transversal it is? Transversal is PQ. ALQ is on the left of the transversal, so side is left. Let us see direction on the transversal. ALQ has two arms. One is AL, second one is LQ. So which arm is part of transversal? AL or LQ? LQ. And what's its direction of LQ on the transversal? What is the direction of LQ on PQ? That is down. So direction is down. Got it, students? Let us see third angle. Suppose third angle is this one, BLP. This angle I am talking about, BLP. Clear, students? So let's write the name angle BLP. On which side of the transversal it is? Which is the transversal? PQ. BLP. On which side of PQ it is? Right. So side I am writing here, right. What is direction of this BLP on transversal? BLP has two arms, LB and LP. Among this, LP is part of transversal and it's going towards upward. So LP is on up side of the transversal. Are you getting it, students? I hope you are getting it. So next is this angle BLQ. I'll make a table of first angle, second side, third direction. So angle is, fourth one is angle BLQ. BLQ is this angle BLQ. It's on this side of the transversal, means right side of the transversal. BLQ has two arms, LB and LQ. Among this, LQ is part of transversal and LQ is going towards down. So direction on transversal is down. Okay, guys, let us see fifth. So remaining four angles will be on at point P. Okay, so first angle is, suppose, CMP, right? Angle CMP. On which side of transversal it is? CMP is on left side of transversal and its direction on transversal is up. CMP, CM and MP. Among this, MP is part of transversal and it's going up on the transversal. Sixth angle is angle CMQ. It's also on the left side of the transversal, and its direction on the transversal is down. See, CMQ on this side, that is the left side of this PQ. CMQ, CM and MQ. MQ is part of PQ, MQ is part of transversal, and MQ is going towards down. Seventh angle is angle DMP, and this DMP is on right side of the transversal, and its direction on the transversal, it has two arms, MD and MP. Among this, MP is part of transversal, it's going towards up. And final angle is angle DMQ, which is on the right side of the transversal, and its direction on the transversal is down. Okay students, see students, we have very less time to complete the syllabus. We are conducting online lectures on alternate days, so please give me a proper response, complete the homework at the given time and submit me promptly. I should know have you understand or not, first thing. And second thing, genuinely it is the most important chapter. You are going to use the concept which we are going to learn in this chapter till 10th grade. Okay guys, so please submit me homework tomorrow. Write name of all 8 angles created in first figure and second figure. Write on which side of the transversal these angles are lying. Write their directions on the transversal. I hope you will complete it and submit me tomorrow. Friends, I noticed one thing, the second and third figure is not looking properly in the video. Sorry for that. And for this homework I will write same figures on paper, and that paper will be attached along with this video, so please refer that figure and write your answers. I hope you will cooperate. Thank you.